Hey y'all, so this is gonna be a really quick update just on everything that's been going on around my little farm. So I decided to head out to Swint Feed, my local seed and feed store, and get me some chicks. Oh, look at the babies.
Get obsessed. They see the chicken last year. I try to get mine based on like egg color.
Yeah. So I got 2 new chicks. And they're about a month old, I would say. One's name is Lacey and the other one's name is Nugget, like chicken nugget. All right, so this is Lacey. I can't remember how to say the name of the type of chicken that Lacey is. She's so scared. I got her from the seed and feed store that's like really close to my house. And she's super scared. And I'm trying to figure out how to get her to be a little bit more calm. They said that about 90% of the chickens that they have at their store are hens. So there is a 10% chance that Lacey could be a rooster. And I'm already trying to get rid of my rooster, Bobby. So if anybody is in Georgia, on the south side, you are looking for a rooster, I got one for you. He is strong, very protective, and very observant. So he would make a good leader for any chicken flock, if that's what it's even called. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, introduce y'all. This is Lacey. Say hi, Lacey. Say hi. And now I'm gonna go get Nugget. Nugget is wild. All right, guys, this is Nugget. And Nugget is a Americana Easter egger. So I think she is going to lay, if she is actually a hen, she's going to lay like a blue color egg, which I'm really excited about. And she's so scared. She's just like, they're both so scared. I don't know why they're scared of me. Hey, I'm not gonna hurt you. Why are you so scared of me? I'm your friend. I'm not gonna do anything to hurt you. Calm down. So this is Nugget. Say hi. Say hello. Nugget tried to run away from me, which I'm gonna show you guys later in this video. But yeah, Nugget is so scared, but she is beautiful, and she's gonna hopefully lay a blue egg for us. So I can't wait to get my first egg. I'm excited about that. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys the new addition to the family. If anybody knows how to like make their chicken friendly, please let me know, because I don't know how to get them to be nice to me. They're so mean. So anyway, say hi. They're hiding from me. Really, guys? So these are my 2 new baby chicks. The lighter one, her name is Nugget. And the one that's a little bit darker, her name is Lacey. So So Nugget and Lacey are the newest members of our family. And I got them, they were probably about 2 weeks old. And now they're probably about 5 weeks old. So we are outside just hanging out. And I'm trying to get them to stop being so scary because they're just some scary little babies. Y'all, Nugget is stuck somewhere in these rocks and I can't find him. And it's getting dark outside and I'm so scared. He ran off and I couldn't catch him, and then he just jumped in these rocks. And I could have sworn I heard his little weeps over here. So I'm hoping that I could find him and save him because it's getting dark, and once it gets dark, I'm afraid that that's it. But I'm gonna try my hardest to find him and save him. Y'all, look who I found. I found Nugget. Hallelujah. I had to say a special prayer for Nugget. Nugget is super scared ever since I had to clean his butt. He had pasty butt. I'm just glad that he's back, safe and sound. I guess I will not let them out until they get big because that was so scary. I thought that I had lost my little Nugget forever. I was gonna cry. But I found you, Nugget. I found you. Alright guys, I want to show you guys an update of my garden. So earlier today, my man and my son came out here and they sprayed snake away so it stinks out here. And I look a little crazy, but I'm still cute, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my garden, what it's looking like. Guys, I have some potatoes growing. Look at them. They're growing in so good. It looks like they're getting ready to flower right here. You can see that. So I got some potatoes growing in. Over here, it's gonna be some carrots. They're extremely small right now. Yeah, I got my carrots. I got my onion that I grew from a kitchen scrap. And I don't think it's like a big bulb. And it's getting ready to flower, which means it's gonna bolt. Meaning that I would need to harvest it now. But I'm gonna leave it and let it flower and keep the seeds and plant them. And see if I can get some big onions. Here I have my lettuce that I'm growing from kitchen scraps. This is garlic, also from kitchen scraps. This is my kale. Look at my kale. Isn't it humongous? Wow, look at my kale, guys. I'm excited about my kale. Look at all my kale just growing so beautifully. Look at the kale, y'all. And I think I've heard that you're supposed to harvest them when they get the size of your hand. So I might go ahead and harvest that one today because it is the size of my hand. I think I might harvest this one today. I'm super excited about this. My first like thing that really grew that is like abundant. I'm excited about my bush beans. I got a few beans growing already. Look at my bean, y'all. Look at my bean. I'm so excited about having beans. I absolutely love beans. And I'm not familiar with bush beans, but they are growing and I'm excited about it. Look at them. Right here I got a tomatillo that is flowering. I'm not sure if anything's gonna grow because I heard you have to have 2 of them and I only have 1. So it's just growing up my trellis. I got some broccoli sprouts coming up. Broccoli. Y'all, look at my strawberries. Oh my goodness, look. I got a bunch of strawberries growing in. Look at my strawberries coming in. It's a lot of them coming in on that one. Strawberry plant right here. This is watermelon. And look who it is over there. Bobby the chicken. Hey. He's getting extremely big and he's got to go. I'm trying to find him a new home, y'all. So I have more kale over here. This is my tomato plant. So I got some tomatoes, a tomato plant growing in right here. And I just can't wait. I don't even really like tomatoes, but I do want to make sauce. I want to make spaghetti sauce because I make really good spaghetti sauce. So that's my only reason for growing tomatoes. And then I have some peppers. That's broccoli right there, but I got some peppers over here. I think these are jalapeno peppers. And these are some other kind of peppers. I think those are bell peppers. Say hey, Bobby. Bobby don't want to say hey to y'all. So yes, more peppers right here. These are radishes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I planted some sunflowers around the garden and some more flowers to help with the pollination of the plants. But that's my little quick garden update, y'all. Also, I forget what the name of these plants are, but look how pretty they are. Isn't that beautiful? I got some on the other side as well. This is my yard full of trees. And look, I got more on this side. Y'all, I forget the name of these plants, but I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I can't remember. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this kale. I think I'm gonna give this to Bobby because it's kind of ate up by something. I'm gonna give all this at the bottom to Bobby. And the ones at the top I'm gonna keep for myself. They look pretty good. All this is gonna go to Bob. I'm gonna leave the rest. Ah! Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Now I got more chickens, and yeah, My hair looks super crazy, y'all. So anyway, that's it for now. Bye. Peace.